Yeah, I'm currently living inside a van now. Change of life. I'm no longer your bike wanderer because today I transferred to a van. But how did I get here? I'm gonna tell you the story. Oh, wow.
Take me out, I wanna see big, big lights, they shine on me. I wanna lay my head and feel.
Yeah, so along the river, there's a campsite here under the bridge. I don't know, it's kind of sketchy, but I don't have a choice right now to just to stay there. So I think I'm just gonna buy food and yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. So while I was trying to pitch my tent, this guy came to me and said that it's gonna be too windy and I cannot make it. It took me almost an hour to understand our translation. First, I was kind of scared, like if he's really saying the truth, where he's gonna be taking me. So I tried to trust my instinct. few moments, he took me to a place and he said that his camping van is parked in there. So I found out that if they don't want to sleep at their house, they usually go for a camping. So this guy, he don't use his camping van at the moment, so he gave me his key and he trusted me to sleep here. Sumusunod na siya sa akin.
화장실, 화장실.
Hello.
들어가. 빼고. 해. 하면은. 아 이거 저기 자전거 이렇게 덮는 거 있다고.
어?
덮는 거. 냉장고도 있어. 냉장고. 아무것도 없어.
It's okay.
아무것도 없어.
We try to communicate for an hour and exchange conversation. So every time we exchange conversation, we have to translate every single word. Kakao? Okay.
나 자고서 요거.
Blown by.
딱 이렇게. 네, 자. 화장실 갔다 오고 가고 이제 열고. 필리핀에서 바로 온 거라고. 서른세 살. 에이, 안 돼, 이거 뭐가 안 돼.
So, ganito kami mag-usap. Medyo complicated kaya kailangan mong gumamit ng translation. Pero nakakatuwa kasi you're still communicating. Wow! All that?
아들. 아까 보였잖아, 이게. 예.
I'm claiming that this will be my life after my bike tour, camping with my camping van, traveling around the Philippines. Yes, it's very cold, 9 degrees right now. Diba? So yeah, tomorrow, hopefully, oh my gosh, wait. Hopefully tomorrow, I can make it to Myeongnyun, the most challenging part of this cycling journey, and yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm just so thankful that I met a lot of people along this journey. Like, everything is so kind. I've never felt safe like this before, and although this is not yet the end, I'm already like 500 kilometers more to go, and I don't know what to say. Hirap mag-English now. It's our English version. Yeah, so it's 9 degrees right now and the van is shaking because it's, I don't know. The guy I met a while ago said like this the place has a very strong wind. Like right now the van is shaking. And yeah, I was so lucky enough. Like every day I have no plans. Like I don't know where I will gonna be ended up with, and yeah, this is where I ended up. I cycled 40 kilometers almost every day for 4 days, and it's really worth it. Like if I didn't stop here, it won't happen. So every decision has an impact. This is where they cook, and it's a little bit messy right now because of what I've done. So today we're gonna cook, and this is my view right now. It's 7 a.m. and it's still dark. So yeah, I just recently found out that the sunrise here starts at 7 a.m. So right now I need to pack because hopefully today I will cycle around 80 kilometers. But let's see. I still have so much stuff to pack. So usually I spend 2 hours just to pack my stuff. Yeah. And I'm just speechless. Because every day there's always something new. I didn't know like when I was yesterday I was not supposed to stop on this part. The next day I tried to cook my own meal and woke up with this view. I didn't expect that I'm gonna be ending up sleeping here, and I was so lucky to sleep here because I found out that during this day there was a drop in temperature because it's the start of the winter season. Before I leave, I met someone here. 감사합니다. So Korean loves coffee. Oh,
괜찮은데?
coffee.
커피 좋아해요?
Hmm? This is how I ended up sleeping inside the camping van, and follow for more adventures that I will be cycling from Seoul to Busan.